Hey everyone, welcome to a Good e-Reader tutorial video. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Today, Kobo is issued a new update 4.10. It adds Overdrive functionality to the Clara HD, the H2O Edition 2, and the Aura Edition 2.
So you'll notice on here it says Kobo Store Overview Wishlist and Vancouver Public Library. Obviously not every library will be Vancouver Public, but that is the card that I obtained. You have to get your library card at your local library first, and then this will show up. So what you do is you click over here, click on Settings, and after the 4.10 update, it will say Overdrive. You sign into your Overdrive account here using your Vancouver Public Library card number with your PIN that they give you at the library. And once you do, based on if you're in, Vancouver or Boston or wherever, it will connect to your library. Once you're in your library, it'll say your respective library under this setting. You can click on the book, and then you'll have the usual stuff, buy, wish list, but if you click the three dots here, you actually have borrow with Overdrive, so you can save, preview, borrow, already read it, not interested. If you click borrow with Overdrive, it connects to Overdrive, and there you go, you've checked out an item. You can then go to your books or shop Kobo from there.
Now you notice there's three dots underneath everyone. If we click on that underneath it, you can read now, but you could also return this book to Overdrive, view details, mark as unread, mark as finished, or you could just remove it from the device completely and it'll automatically be returned to the Overdrive pool in 7 days, or depending on what your local library's like lending period is. Right. Sometimes it's 7 days, sometimes it's like a little bit longer. We're going to return it. Return early, not now, and we're going to return.
That's it.
So there's a lot of value now with the basic entry-level Kobo e-readers all the way to the very expensive ones. For goodereader.com and a tutorial on how to borrow ebooks via Overdrive on the Kobo. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Everybody take care.